The study program focuses on the analysis and study of democracy.
This is a topic that is very important nowadays in politics, and processes of democratization and autocratization are just everywhere in international relations.
Democracy is one of the most important topics in the world. I think democratic backsliding is a thing for the whole world, and I feel very lucky to study in this time in this program.
And we wish to equip our students to deal with these challenges, to defend democracy, which we see as normatively valuable form of government.
The content is pretty diverse. We've already experienced various research courses based on democracy in the global north, democracy in the global south, but also the environmental perspective, economic perspective.
There's also quite a bit of methodological training, and then there are kind of the elective parts of the program where students can choose their own courses and thereby develop their own independent profile of study.
With the electives, you can really shape your own program as you want.
It's possible to pick and choose depending on interests.
Complementary is also a chance to meet and study with different people from different programs. So for example, in this semester complementary, I have many friends from sustainability programs.
And that's where you get really different perspectives, and that's also what I appreciate about this uni, that you can learn together with a person next to you who has a totally different approach maybe.
I really fell in love with it. I already did my bachelor's at Leuphana and really wanted to stay here actually because I love the campus life and the city, and also that we have a lot of young professors and a lot of professors who are female and are very good at teaching.
The large majority of courses in our degree program are seminar-based courses. There's usually between 20 and 25 students in the classroom. They're very much focused on discussion and debate. There's a very lively atmosphere.
Sometimes it's also, of course, theoretical because theory is important to begin with, but after that you really get the freedom to dive into real problems that you can bring up, and then you can start transferring theory into real life problems, and that's where the master's program also gives you the tools to do that. The atmosphere is pretty nice because it's international.
This really enlivens class discussion since students bring in very different personal experiences with democracy to the table.
The class environment is very nice because we can discuss with each other, with professors easily.
And so even if there are things that are challenging, and I think that's also important for our studies to be challenged by them, we as a group help each other and we also get support from the professors, so that's really nice.
One of the ambitions that we have is to educate future decision makers.
I do feel well prepared, yes, because you have a lot of possibilities going from here, and you just get a really cool toolkit to work in different and various sectors.